Before we do foot massage, we can first take an appropriate amount of massage oil. Apply evenly on the top of the foot, inner foot, and outer foot areas. Then massage the heel area. Come up from the inner foot to grab the toes. At the same time, rub the sole and top of the foot. Next, massage the foot reflex zones. The toe pads correspond to the head. Use both hands simultaneously on the trigeminal nerve reflex zone on the inner side of the big toe, the neck reflex zone at the big toe joint, do each toe 3 to 5 times. This position is the eye and ear reflex zones. The inner side of the toes can be done with crossed hands. This is the trapezius muscle reflex zone, lung reflex zone, kidney and heart reflex zones, colon and small intestine reflex zones, reinforce the kidney reflex zone. This is the celiac plexus of both feet. Areata reflex zone. The end of the uteroflex zone is the bladder reflex zone. Finally, work on the stomach, pancreas, and duodenum.